I haven't got any time today. I've been sorting out my fucking workshop. I haven't got any fucking time to do any kind of real work. So I'm just going to quickly build myself a speed soft M14. Enjoy. They say you come up with your best ideas when you're drinking. So, you know, what can go wrong? Airsoft, alcohol, and angle grinders. I'm going to do the whole gun with nothing but an angle grinder. Fuck it. I think it's worth noting that I don't want to put any real effort into this. I just want to see what happens. Experimentation, kiddies. I reckon that's going to fire just fine. Oh, it worked. It fucking worked. Come on, 269. 280! The fucking power went up! Oh my god, that's so fucking funny! That's some funny shit! Oh, you cunt! Oh, for fuck's sake! Like, you couldn't fucking make that shit up. Hang on. You literally couldn't make that shit up. And it's so fucking bad as well. Oh my god. Not gonna lie, to get the battery in here is a bit of a shithead. I've rerouted the wires up the side and it lives in fucking side here. It takes a 7.4 LiPo, the really skinny 2-cell things. It fits, it works. It's not practical, but do you really think I'll give a fuck? My moment of fucking glory, figuring out I can put some sponge on there. Yeah, that is definitely 1 hour well spent. Definitely 1 hour well spent. Fucking well happy with that. No. Mate. Could you imagine how fucking funny that would be? That could actually be cool as fuck. And there you have it. That is an hour of boredom relieved. I'm so fucking pleased with that, it's untrue. I'm trying to be serious, but I'm so fucking pleased with that. That's some cool shit.